This is really good.
Joel, thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
It's so good to see you.
You too. Thank you.
And I want to thank you for your testimonial for my book. It really meant a lot to me.
Gosh, well, you're welcome. And reciprocal, it's the difference you've made and the impact you made on myself and all the people that I impact, it carries over. We're gonna make the world a healthier place through food,
I love that.
exercise, but most importantly, mindset, inclusive of all that you eat.
We'll lift each other up. And what I want to say, why I choose you in my book, is three things. I appreciate who you are as a person, your passion and your experience in the fitness world, and how you help others.
So thank you, and it's an honor and a privilege to be part of your world and to write the testimonial from the heart.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Subscribe, like, and share.